Wait for it, the doggo is dancing. What a meme.
If you can't get enough of these Labradors...
Ah, the doggo is fighting a ghost. 10 out of 10.
Alright, for this time. Here. Alright, one more. Look at the neck. One more time.
Holy smokes, this criminal wants some food. What is going on? Okay, but this criminal is dancing. LOL. Honestly, that dog is malfunctioning. I need him.
Yup, Labradors are always on their own vibe.
Help! The orange cat is plotting revenge. What is going on? I swear, this criminal is acting crazy. FBI, open up. Look at, the puppy has 0 brain cells. Classic. Check this out. That good boy thinks he is a human. My brain hurts.
Since he was a pup, head scratches have been the secret to his digestion.
Ha, this animal is judging you silently. Cuteness overload.
Yes, I want it, yes! Oh my god!
You have one job. Look behind you.
Wow, this animal is lagging. Pure chaos.
Ooh. Curry.
Seriously, this golden retriever is questioning reality.
Sometimes
LOL.
they really do the silliest things.
Yo, this animal is broken. Pure chaos. Seriously, that kitten regrets everything. Emotional damage. Guys, this kitty regrets everything. Same bro, same. Wait, this fluff ball has 0 brain cells, cuteness overload. I swear, the doggo has 0 brain cells, emotional damage.
What the fuck?
Look at, the doggo is broken, unbelievable. Can you believe the Chunky boy just saw something legendary? Can you believe this golden retriever chose violence today? Classic. Wait for it, this criminal is stuck in the Matrix, unbelievable.